him a beg contribution to help build those houses. So which one of them is better?
What?
Answer that for me. Which one of them is more better? The one where poor relief did a bill with 2 bedroom and inside bathroom. Which one of them was more better?
Well, just like any, all of them is good enough. All of them is good enough.
Answer my question straight, man. It's not about all who is good. Me say, him a beg contribution, no.
And nobody now shit a door again.
Right? And nobody now shit out a door again. And him a build outside toilet. And him can run competition with the government because what? Him a beg contribution, him a beg people for come help. See, the other day, them lay the foundation around 10 by 10. And him a ask people for come help lay block.
But, Mikey, Mikey, what I'm saying to you right now, I'm going to tune into Patmore later. And if he want contribution, I will send him in him 500 US. You understand me?
So why not send it to the person them in personal? Why not send it to the people them in personal and send it to Patmore?
Well, I don't know
Get
what
them
do it.
name and send it to them in person. Eh?
I don't know the person. I use a Patmore do it now.
Try find out the person them who need the help and send it to them, not send it to Patmore.
No. I'm not going to go down that lane there.
Oh, you mean by you're not going to go down that lane there? Politics here appears so they know because him going to use the money for go run in politics.
What I'm saying to you, if you there in Jamaica, politics and court and tell you, and classy, and you call me, and you say, boom, you need a I'm going to help you no matter where you're from.
So guys, give me a chance, please. Mikey, all right. So, Mr. Stalamar.
Yes, Classy.
You are in America, right?
Yeah.
And you know that in America, even if you're doing an addition on your house, you're supposed to get the building codes and get the approval from the necessary bodies. Yeah. In Jamaica, we have our Building Act. And as I said, I interviewed the mayor of Maypen, and he said, if you're putting up a structure, you need to get the approval from the municipal corporation. And I'm saying to you, because we are straight from it, you know. Yeah. Even if a kind or not kind, he's supposed to get the approval from the municipal corporation. So later when you tune into him, tune into Mr. Patmore, ask Patmore, has he gotten the approval from the municipal corporation?
And I'm glad you asked that question, you know, because I bring you up to date to a scenario. The other day there was some upgrade to be done on the Linstead Hospital, and one of their councillors took the government to task that it could not be carried out because it was not approved by the St. Catherine Parish Council. So I'm saying, imagine a place for healthcare to be upgraded and you're playing politics with it. And everything the government do, you question it. So I guess this should be questioned as well, because if hurricane come and blow down for them same people, them are going to pressure the government to take care of them.
But Classic, what I'm saying to you right now, we must ask Mr. Patmore if he get permit. I don't have the right to do it, you know. If the mayor, the parish council of Trelawny supposed to go ahead and do that job, not me. You understand me? So if the mayor...
Stalamar, let me cut you a bit.
What on the Classic?
Me asking you to ask him is a good thing.
No, I'm not going to ask him.
No, listen. Because if we call the municipal corporation and say, listen, we don't need for go do something about that, all of that have to stop, you know. It have to stop until it is approved. Or the municipal corporation can order him to bring back the space that he's building on to its natural state.
No, what I'm saying to you, you see, if you have
so it's a good thing to just ask him.
No, if you have the parish council, I do a good job in them parish, they're supposed to know what to take place in them parish. You understand me? Me as a little man, I'm supposed to find out from you how you are building.
Little
Parish
man,
council
brother.
supposed to find out.
You are a citizen of Jamaica, right?
I'm a citizen of Jamaica.
Okay, good. But you talk about little man, and this is what me hate about a conversation when people say little man and poor man and something.
No, classic. What I'm saying to you, them have a parish council, don't it? Them have a mayor.
Yes,
them have
they
people.
do.
They have
Yes,
council. They have everybody who walk and check the canvas of the parish to see where part
No,
people
they
are being.
don't. No,
Eh?
they don't. No.
So that's a freedom work. That's not my work. I want to show you something. Me in a construction field, America. I build house. You understand me? And anything I go on around here, so if you turn on your nail gun, I hear pum pum pum. Quick time you see people come around and check. You have to have a permit, pierce up on your glass, pierce up on somewhere, they come, you can't say you get permit from the parish council. Or not from the parish council.
You think naturally it is that the council or the parish council or whatever it is over there just know say, are they have enough people to come over and see what is happening?
Yes, them know.
No, somebody call and inform them. Ask questions, what is happening?
Yeah, but classic, what I'm saying to you.
350 million people in America. You
Classic.
think they have enough workers for monitor that?
Classic, how you mean? When you go up here, man, you go to the town hall, you know. The town hall know every part, which lot you're going to build, what is the address, who are the contractor, everybody. Somebody have to pull a permit now. You understand me? Somebody have to pull a permit now. So what I'm saying to you, the mayor and the council, them get such a big pay, and them supposed to rise and see say what is put up in the parish supposed to be good and strong and healthy for any disaster.
Classic. Them have people who go around and do those checks for true. But what I'm saying is not everything they're gonna see. In the countryside, them not gonna see everything. And sometimes people build without a permit. At Jamaica, this happen all the time.
Hold on the mic.
So Stella.
Hold on the mic. Stella.
Yes, General.
All right. So me hear you bring the point about construction in the United States, and if you start, you have manpower to do that. And what Classic said is true. Because let me tell you something, don't be naive that them have persons who just randomly come around. Because if you do inside, if you do refurbishment inside, there's no way I'm gonna go just drive past outside and see. There are always neighbors or somebody seeing material going in and out, and they are going to call. Because one thing with the Americans, they are very inquisitive. And let me tell you this, again, use this as an example. I remember I went to Walmart, and when I went to Walmart, park up, go inside, buy a headphone, come out of Walmart, start the vehicle, put in a reverse. No member said have my foot on the brake. No member said the vehicle in a reverse. Check up the earphone and I fix it for my ears. End up come off of the brake. The vehicle run back, hit somebody vehicle, right? And when we look, I just one man did it.
Guys, stop the scream. Why don't you stop up the scream, man?
Me basically ask the man what happened. Him say, are you just running in the people vehicle? And I say, me? He said, yes. And when me look, me realize that the person running on my vehicle for real. Because I swear, me still park. And you know, me drive off. And when me drive off, me so shocked, and me drive off. And when me drive off, me come to my sense, and me say, what me do? And by the time me go and come back, you know, a police did there, you know. And you know who call the police? The man who sit down in the vehicle, you know. Because up until now, the owner, up until the time when me left, the owner don't know that his vehicle get licked. And the police only take my driver's license, my ID, and my driver's license and my insurance. And him say, all right, you're good to go. Because, you know, whatever. And
yeah, you know what I'm
so basically, a person's normally sit things on call. It's not like them have inspector walk and check every house or every old building to see people are refurbished.
Well,
so
listen.
to the point of Classic make, there are some places in the gully. If you know Trelawny and Trelawny terrain and South Trelawny terrain.
Hold on the demon. Call you today. Because people are coming here back.
Yeah, me there. Yeah, but me can't step down.
No come down call. I make that point and come down. I'm at a point I'm coming. Yeah. So if you know the hilly terrain of South Manchester, South Trelawny, you'd understand say I know everywhere them can go and see it. I know everywhere them can go and see it, brother.
Let's me try if it's not on road, boy. You see simple thing, classic. Come on,
One second, Stella Mar. You still want to put down politics?
No, man.
One space there.
Okay. They are just giving this land to accommodate the people.
That's a foolishness. Foolishness.
Me think you should really work with the government or food to the poor then.
He don't want to do it because of election they come and he want the people to vote for him. And for him want a family and vote for him.
Hold on. Me did the little distance from the foot. But that Salamar, me understand it also, but me not go to no lie. I like to show people them support.
Oh, that sound good, man.
Both overseas and yard. So me not go complain about that.
Yeah, man, but tell the people them to top fight the man who deliver the house, man. Let the man deliver the house. We not supposed to fight it. Make the parish council fight it.
Me have a problem with the house, Salamar. The house too liquor. Me believe don't rush it, wait, and do it.
What happened? What are the politics? So Salamar, when that jump on them, they turn shit pan. When that jump on the bus, crystallize and bus. What happened after?
Huh? This is what me I try to tell you. This is what me I try to tell you.
Let me tell you something. This is my issue I have with it, Salamar. This is my issue. I don't know about anybody else. This is my issue. He said he's doing it because he cares. He started since him start campaign. 1. 2. Him not having money because him claim say him a do it, but he's collecting donations. 3. He could collaborate with Food for the Poor. He doesn't have it, but he could collaborate with Food for the Poor.
Right.
The type of houses in Bill, he could do better. And the quality of the houses are very poor.
Yeah, I'm understand what you're saying now. You know, I live in America and I keep a lot of stage show back home in Jamaica. And the pay field where I use, you understand me? When I was taught, I said, oh, okay, I'm going to give back the district a flush bathroom and 2 bedroom room because we use the pay field at your time. Everybody say, okay, why you not get in touch with the MP or the councillor? I say, listen, tell the MP and the councillor to fix street light and road and bush road. Whatever we do it back out of my pocket for my community where I come from. You understand me? So I know everything that somebody do know, they want help from politics. Now if everybody can say, other politicians, they build this, and government build this.
Listen to what I said. From politics. Oh, the same, one on the politics. The same way when I put Mr. B's house. Mr. B's who collaborated with Food for the Poor. Food for the Poor is a non-partisan organization. Right. If he really cared, he could have done it.
Yeah, but what me I say
What
me I say to you, no, miss? What me I say to you, no? If you have $1 million right now, I say you have like you have 200,000 US.
What is the reason he is doing it? What is the reason he's doing it?
The reason why I'm doing it for us if you give people, because I don't fall them out make living out now go.
Why is he giving it to them?
Because them need it. If somebody never need, they want to take it, you know.
So where were they before?
But now is the time he have the opportunity to do it.
Question: where were they before? What were they in before?
Maybe them in a house whenever really up to the standards. You pick out the one them who never live in a good place.
You look for me. So they were in a worse house than what he's been giving them now.
Well, I want a goodie over here. I see one somebody with. I want a goodie in a comment. Goodie, you did it?
Yeah, man, goodie in a comment.
If somebody surface, I know you know I see over here. Go and stall them.
Yeah, but a long time.
Use excusing behavior. I I don't have an issue with you wanting to help the individuals. But you know what he's doing? He's taking disadvantage of the situation that they're in, and they're obviously intellectually challenged. And them say Patmore anything. You know, say when labor right now don't take that. People that do better.
Take what?
Yeah.
We not take it.
That is.
Yeah, I'm going on the road now.
No
So
labor
come
right
out.
nobody go take it. No labor right
ain't
as a
gonna take
matter of
that.
fact,
You don't run away.
I understand he
No, we have
wants
some
to
job. We have some stuff to know.
say, but he only do it because of politics. And me understand if he really want to help the person, if he really wanted to, he would have collaborated with somebody who is in a position to do better. Have you seen the house them I do? You see the house and see the, as a matter of fact, you see the foundation of the house them? If a good hurricane come, then now stand. Not even if a quarter hurricane come, then now go stand up. You see the foundation?
But look, you know, we say mad with independent of politics.
You can do it independent of politics and do it good labor yard. He can't.
Hear me, I say no. He say he might do it independent of politics. Apart Patmore and friends and in TikTok friends them and that he might do. But the first house when built, he look like a one Rasta man, and the Rasta man did it with him PMP band pan in hand.
They are all comrades. He might look for the most loyal comrades they might give to them. That's what he is doing.
The man did it with him PMP band pan in hand.
What he can also do, labor yard, watch us Salamargan. What he can also do, because they say a funeral package where a person pay $500 every year. And if I use him service, they get $10,000 off. The person who doesn't use the service and him have those money, he can contribute it in housing development.
I tell you something, you know. I hear Patmore say, when him decide to run as MP, the first man will approach him and say him a vote for one madman, you know.
Yeah.
So me not expect better from Patmore. If only mad people are support him, then that means to say he can build anything and give mad people.
Me just come in to say that, but me I continue listen.
Right. Look here. The people that is receiving these houses, are they from the constituency originally, or they are from another constituency?
Mostly from the constituency.
Yeah, but lots of them say don't happy with the house. But who are gonna get the house happy for it, you know? That's the most important thing. You understand me?
Because
you
they can do better.
They are fired because the comrade gave to them. And this me not like with Uno. I'm gonna beat you, especially Salamar. Uno not treat Uno most loyal set of people good. And that is no secret. The most loyal set of comrade them in a. See one of them the when they Jerry a pair orange shot in wear. Pair orange shot. Jerry has a PNP.
Salamar. The government has housing, of social housing.
Make Rance girl finish. Go again, Rance girl. Because the two of you talk one time.
Treat them most loyal people. They don't treat them good, and it's no secret. And no secret. When I have the most garrison and look upon the garrison and look upon the people them. The reason them happy to take it because they're more loyal to Uno than Uno self within the party. They're more loyal to Uno than the Tapenaris.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Better.
Rance girl.
Eh?
Rance girl.
Right.
Let me tell you something. Out of the politician of Jamaica, PNP look out for them people more than Labour, right? And there is no example upon that. None.
In what way? In what way?
You know why PNP look out for them people more than... You know why PNP look out for them people more than Labour right? Labour right work. We are working class. Remember that.
No, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something with Labour right.
Making them dependent on handouts. The means
handouts them depend on. So that's why they look out for them. Because they don't want to work.
One at a time, please. One at a time.
No, but
working class people.
We work and build with country. Making them dependent and handout is the same thing a pimp do a prostitute. What make them dependent on coke. So they always have to work for them.
Give Henry a chance to come in.
You know why?
Henry, Ben wants to say something.
You know
Give
why?
Henry a chance to come in. Give Henry a chance to come in. He never wants to say something.
All right, look here. I've been asking this question very regularly when it comes to Patmore and those houses. The government has a social housing program going on. Why didn't he collaborate with the PM? Because we know that there were systems in place to build houses in that area for people. So why didn't he collaborate with the government or go to the government and say, look here, this is what I have planned. Can you assist me? Or why didn't even his party come with him and say, well, we see the government doing the social program and they're building good structure for the people. So that is what we are going to do also.
Good evening, good evening. I just want to
Salamar.
Stella Mar, you want to respond to that?
Yeah. You see, the man having money and the man want to do something to himself. If he wants him get the permission, if go ahead and build him house them, he don't need no government tonight. If him can do anything by himself, it's great.
Salamar, he's doing this by getting contribution from the internet.
Give him a chance to respond and then we'll come back.
Guys, I'm really having this discussion with this guy over here. Come on, guy, I want to do better than that because this man know him head from him too, you know. We're not going to have this discussion with him, please, sir. Just cut it out right now. Now, ask him.
What more now, no money?
But can I ask a question? Can I ask him a question? Good evening. When he said that PNP look after their people more than JLP, what do you mean by looking after somebody who is an adult? Could you clarify, please? I'm talking to the guy, Salamar. Could you clarify what you mean?
Yeah, what? Huh?
When you said that the JLP looks after their people more than how the JLP, what do you mean by that? Are these people handicapped or what? Just clarify what does that mean?
Listen, miss, there's a lot of people on this earth don't handicap, but them cannot afford things where them want for them basic need. You understand me? Okay. So the PMP will come and help out both PMP and help both labor right.
But why is that? Why
you understand?
No, I'm asking you. We're just talking. I'm just trying to figure out when people say, this I look after this one more than this one. So why is it that they can't look after themselves? Is it that because the only time I think that somebody's supposed to look after an adult is if the adult has a disability, right? The adult has a disability or there's something wrong why that person physically can't move to help themselves. So are you talking like giving the people money on a monthly basis or giving them work or what do you mean by that?
Hold on, I'm just coming on my truck. Hold on. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, what I'm saying right now, you see life is a thing where I go tell us somebody not born enough to be handicapped. You can stretch your hand to give him a better life. Somebody not born enough to be a madman for you can put on a good suit of clothes on him. You understand? That's how I look on life. Whatever I have in life, God bless me and I believe to share. That's how I look on life.
You're wrong.
You understand? Some people feel say, oh no. Hold
on. When you see a madman, that man is mentally ill. When you see a street person, that person is mentally. Now, if you can afford to uplift somebody, right? To give them a job, right? So they can help themselves. Because I remember we have this thing back in the 70s. I grew up hearing about it. Crash program. You know what was crash program? The government helping people. And this is why people are poor. Because they don't fend for themselves. They don't know how to do things for themselves. They just depend on government to build handout. Now, a government supposed to make the environment that you can strive, help who the government can help. Number one, this man, he doesn't have money for himself. He is begging people to give him money to build houses for people. The government already has a social program. Why not collaborate with the government then and say, you know, these people, I'm going to recommend them to get a house from you because they are so this or they're so that. Why can't we have a collaboration and give somebody something sensible instead of
Hold on,
giving...
guys, hold on a second. Let's tune into the headline for a second.
In a statement on Tuesday, the Commission issued a reminder that it's illegal to report or make public statements on investigation reports that have not yet been tabled. The statement follows revelations by both Nationwide News and the Jamaica Observer, which have been reporting on issues linked to investigations conducted by the Anti-Corruption Agency. Siobhan Campbell tells us more.
Last week, Thursday, Nationwide News disclosed that reports the Integrity Commission sent to Parliament were related to an investigation into the Prime Minister's statutory declarations, which have not been certified for 3 years. By Monday, details emerged that the failure to certify the declarations were related to 4 bank accounts in the names of the Prime Minister's parents and a former constituency office manager. The following day, the Jamaica Observer newspaper dropped its own investigative piece, alleging that the Integrity Commission was probing 8 politicians for corruption. The 8 include 5 from the PNP and 3 from the JLP. Opposition leader Golding was swift in slamming the Observer report, saying the reference concerning politicians concocted.
Malicious stories may have been concocted and sent to the Integrity Commission for partisan political reasons without any foundation whatsoever. I want the public to note that this reporting by the Jamaica Observer is entirely separate from the 8 sitting members of Parliament cited by the Integrity Commission for illicit enrichment. The allegations reported by the Observer article are not part of the ongoing investigation by the Integrity Commission into the 8 MPs who are accused of illicit enrichment. In my view, this is a blatant attempt to confuse and mislead the public.
I would have said that. I would have said that.
The Commission retired Justice addressed the reporting on the investigation report submitted to Parliament. He acknowledged extensive public chatter about purported contents of the report and stated that the submitted reports have yet to be tabled in Parliament. The Commission says Section 53 of its enabling legislation strictly prohibits public discussion of untabled reports. Statements of disclosures regarding the start or conduct of an investigation can be made by the Commission or any other entity until the reports are officially presented to Parliament. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has expressed concern over the leaked information and says he is anxious to have the documents tabled.
I'm concerned about leaks, very much so. Going to the point where members of the opposition would say with definitive certainty when the report was going to be tabled and what was the content of the report. I am very concerned. That was even before Parliament.
The Integrity Commission, while under fire, insists it remains dedicated to factual reporting and has no vested interests. It also affirms its strict adherence to the law and says it would never move the guidelines to satisfy any agenda. In Tuesday's statement, the Commission pledged its commitment to transparency and the rule of law.
Let them know politics, man. This one, I lick them, man.
Including the one at the center of the controversy. Thomas Campbell for Nationwide News.
Meanwhile, 2 leading political commentators, Lloyd D. Smith and Dr. Nadine Spence, say leaks to the media in a functioning democracy are inevitable. They were reacting to the controversy over the media's reporting details from an investigation submitted to Parliament by the Integrity Commission. Dana Davey reports. The Integrity Commission has warned members of the public and the media houses that reporting from untabled reports is a breach of the Integrity Commission Act. The Seymour Panton-chaired commission says Section 53 of its enabling legislation strictly prohibits public discussion of untabled reports. Nationwide News reported on aspects of one of the commission's recent reports, which is awaiting tabling in the Parliament. Editor-in-chief of the Western Mirror, Lord says leaks to the media are an inevitable feature of a functioning democracy.
Well, any democracy is thriving fresh. That operates with a certain amount of freedom.
So I know Marky British a cry foul. When
Exactly.
Dayton Campbell come out and say Thursday, him wait until Tuesday.
Exactly.
When you know these people when
The
I tell you say,
hypocrisy of them. Exactly the point.
the only reason why him come out are because the star come out and say 5 from the from the PMP.
At the start, the Observer.
The Observer, thank you. The only
But sweet tips. Look at it. See the IC now, and now the IC are come out say it is illegal, So why them never say it when the PMP are running it? Why them never say it at the time say it is illegal?
These people are a bunch of hypocrites, and I keep telling you guys.
But
these
look
people.
how they did crucify Andrew when he came out and says that the integrity commission policy is you don't speak on cases that are being investigated. Look at them crucifying.
That is the reason why some people say Andrew soft, but Andrew know where him do. You see through all this, Andrew keep him mouth shut.
Because he was saying
Because anyhow, Andrew did raise anything, then would I say Andrew this and Andrew that, and you see that man have a leadership style when I tell you said, yo, I have to congratulate this man. Thank you again, Andrew.
When
for your
something
leadership
there,
role.
when something there was yesterday he spoke Deacon Campbell and Deacon Campbell.
Yeah.
Hang on,
One thing, may I say one thing. You see on the thing may I say going on in the general election. You hear Mark Bowling out.
Politics.
Mark Bowling like him and cry.
Yes, and that happened to him. You remember when him go up on platform and I say Andrew fi call them, I hope him have the same God fi call them the 5 they know.
Me go up and use me other phone. And they go up on TikTok. I don't see one PNP live.
But that's what I was saying today.
What am I going to come and say?
When he was saying that Andrew should call them, didn't he know that it was illegal?
No, it was not for them.
But no, we want him call the 5. We want him call the 5 now. Because same way him did the on platform, so call them Andrew, call them because you know them.
But listen,
look here.
Dayton Campbell came out and also said it was either Dayton or Mark Golding who came out and says that it could be that the government, the Prime Minister is also being investigated.
Yes, with the whole time.
He also called. He also called the Prime Minister Alibaba and his party thieves.
Marcia, him did right because them know say them call them whosoever friend them for investigate them. Them even hire private investigator from overseas. So them did know what them must say. You understand? They are a bunch of losers.
How the payment they go.
So they are a bunch of losers.
Oh, you know what? You take the Prime Minister, wait till this.
Yes,
so
man.
Yes, politics.
I tell you, guys, you don't understand what go on. The PMP then come up with a tragedy, You understand? And them ball corruption and them have gang overseas, a gang upon the Prime Minister. You understand? And you see where them the gang that fall in them fall over of $1,200. You understand? So all of them are go down one by one.
Them have to go down.
Something, guys.
Go ahead, Ren.
It was being played on nationwide news. I'm gonna listen to the statement a while ago by Mark Golding. It was being played on nationwide. Listen carefully. Mark Golding said the 8 that the observer spoke about is not the 8 that is being investigated for enrichment. That's the question that needs to be asked. How the frig you know what the 8 being investigated? All along you're walking up and down telling people that, oh, the Prime Minister and whatever. Oh, you know all of this. See, Michael Jackson come out and run behind the IC, said illegal, whatever. She was okay. The same Michael Jackson was okay. She was okay with the speculation, and she was one of them running up and down and talk about they need to be named, and then the Prime Minister must step aside. Imagine Prime Minister has to step aside for an account of $800, not even $900. Imagine the Prime Minister has to be step aside for an account which $11,000. Imagine the Prime Minister being asked to step aside for an account with $300,000. Let me tell you.
Guys, you know, I only can.
These statements, let me tell you what exactly happened. And this is what they should be looking into. Julian spoke in August that in September, reports will be coming out, and it's not good. The PM will have to call a snap election. Dayton spoke in less than 12 hours that these reports are coming out soon. Them are not a coincidence. You see, if it is, because remember, and yes, listen carefully, as the reports came out, all news media said these reports have information pertaining to the Prime Minister's statutory declaration. Me read it 3-4 times. I'm gonna say no, it's a Prime Minister, but everybody know. We saw Cliff Hughes in the morning when Cliff Hughes did that beat Andrew Holness. And remember yesterday morning, Cliff Hughes did that beat Andrew Holness. Cliff Hughes beat him, stating that he hears his statutory declaration is not certified, and it's because they found accounts belonging to Andrew Holness that he did not declare. Oh, Cliff Hughes hear that. I mean, no, so that was the information that was being spread within the PNP. So when I said Julian come out, that was the information that they heard from the IC, but they did not know the extent of it, and they weren't advised of the full information of it. You see, they were too confident and everything backfire on it. You see, if the report, you see, if it is a leak, was saying that they find account with how much millions a night, nobody would have been this about leak. Everybody that said democracy and freedom of speech and freedom of press.
What's his name? Dayton who come out yesterday and said, let's wait until it's tabled. I don't know. I don't believe it.
No, one of them, the first thing they in a chat about saying have to resign. You know what they heard?
Time.
You know what they hear? You see, same way you see Cliff Hughes, you see that tone that Cliff Hughes took on yesterday, him get that from the PNP. Him never get that from a labourite, it's a PNP him get it from. And
I don't believe so, you know. I believe Cliff, listen to me. Cliff Hughes knew what was in the report, because Cliff Hughes had...
No. Listen to him. I listen to his rants in the morning.
Hold on a second. Let me make the point.
No, he never know in a man. He never know.
Hold on a second. Cliff Hughes had the report and knew what was in the report. What Cliff Hughes didn't want to do is to make it sound like he's biased, because he got the report. So it would have been said that it would have been either, what's her name, Juliet, the guy there, Tom Tavares, Simpson, the four who get it, which is their JLP members, got the report. So if he had come out and said this and said that.
Marcia, I'm sorry for cutting. I listen to him live and I watch his facial expression.
Yeah,
you
man, he never know. He
did not know, and I watch his facial expression.
Two different program. When he come back again,
yes,
it's totally different.
Two different persons that I listen and I watched it on YouTube. Me never take no hearsay, and me never wanna. Me watch him live.
I watched it, but I listened to him.
No. If you watch it, trust me, girl. You see, if you watch it and watch him facial expression, he didn't have it. You hear what I'm saying? Me, I forget a copy of that copy. And the PNP was running. Nobody, just when him come out, PNP bloggers, the man go look on them page. PNP bloggers had Cliff Hughes morning tape.
Yes.
Had it all over.
You see that me pass another live and I Cliff Hughes them and listen.
They had it all over in the morning. Let me tell you something. You see, when I said Julian come out on the date, and Julian specifically said reports are coming out in September, and they got force force an early election. You see, same stance and the same story here, confused, and that them did hear from the person. The person never tell a lie. The person was correct. Them find some account that tied to Andrew, and because of it, they never certified. And I hit all of them, but they never know the nature of these accounts and they never know the amount in it. It's the same way as the Cliff Hughes at Galang. Cliff Hughes received leak information from the PNP in the morning, and somebody leaked the information out because I tell you, if Cliff Hughes never go on a rant or even go on a rant in the morning, the information was leaked. Remember me tell you that. You see, if you sit down and watch it and watch him behavior, PNP leak it to Cliff Hughes in the morning, leak what they know about it, create a storm because it was supposed to be their speech for conference. All of this way to lead up to conference. Me now ask Marcia, tell you, PNP leaked that information to Cliff Hughes in the morning, and they eventually get leaked to correct him because they eventually realized it was supposed to be a talking point.
Evening, everybody. Evening, moderator. Evening, host. Me say Caution just make the mistake and put me in a box a while ago. Me tell them I have to mute me. Me say Caution make the mistake and put me in a box a while ago. Me say me have to tell him say 5 members of the PNP and then you read the report, and people cut me say no matter how you twist it and turn it. 5 members of the People's National Party, led by Mark Jefferson Golding, is under investigation for illicit enrichment. Then get mad over there and start mute me, Mike.
So, you know, this is lead music. Correction, you say include Mark Jefferson Golding. No lead, include Mark Jefferson
Me say they get mad over there and start mute me, Mike, immediately. Yes, all of them mute me.
Cliff Hughes get them PNP leak information to Cliff in the morning and somebody else leak it to Cliff in the evening. PNP when a leak, PNP have leak in the IC. JLP had no leak in the IC until the report come to Parliament and then get to read it themselves. JLP had no links within the IC. Tell you, else JLP would have leak it from long time.
All I can tell people, all I can tell the Jamaicans, I slept good last night. I drink a bottle of water and go on my bed and I sleep good. I really sleep good. I'm proud of my Prime Minister. Lord Jesus, I'm proud of him. Because what? He know how to play. Yes. And the PNP them draw a bad card.
No, the PNP overplayed. The PNP then overplayed their hand. They thought they had this coming.
That's what happened, Munchie.
Yeah,
and
man.
Because of Dayton. I wouldn't be surprised if they will want to get rid of Dayton. I wouldn't be surprised. You know why? Dayton took over that party and Dayton lead the ambush from the Prime Minister. If I notice, everybody else never that take up, you know. Nobody, not even Julian, as much as I hear make a statement, they weren't taking it up.
The People's National Party led by Mark Jefferson Golding.
I want PNP to come defend him.
They can't come there if stand up and for them. It's like how we can go on for them platform. They can't come on for it because then only have to work off of talking points. I go one Cosmo go on tell me say Dewey and Vaz was not and the investigation is just a late paper to put in, and that's why me say no matter how no spin it, he had questions to answer from the Integrity Commission, and then he was charged and go before the court. And Mark Jefferson Golding come out 3 years and say nobody from the PNP was under investigation. I have no question to answer. I have nothing to do with the Integrity Commission. He lied. Therefore, I don't believe nothing what Mark Jefferson Golding say. So one could have spin some more.
Munchie, you notice Mark Golding read a snippet from that same statement on the Observer, where the Observer stated that some investigation turned out to be false. Right? Remember when I talked about it from long time, when IC put out then summary say most of these illicit enrichment stories are true. Nobody never want hear when we are saying.
Hold on, make we hear where Mike here say where Mike in Mike.
Mikey, you
Topic more,
can't tell with Mikey, you can't break no news over here, so you can't break
anyway,
no news over here, so anything wanna go come with Mikey are garbage because the international finance and forensic financial people them already go through the file and they not see nothing in that. So nothing wanna spin and turn can't jerk we. Tell Mikey British we open up in trust fund and make the international people then come in come scrutinize it.
You know, in this statement that the IC release, any release by the media of reports that have not been tabled as yet is illegal. They never
Tell them
say.
to go and go charge the media. Tell them go and go
They
charge the
never
media.
say stop release false news or.
Tell them go and go charge the
never
media,
say
Renz
that.
girl. Somebody go Philippine. Go up on Twitter and tweet them and tell them say go and charge nationwide because when the report did come out about the tax registration office them with the paper with the MP on the building, that report that was in the Gleaner before it hit Parliament. So tell the Integrity Commission go and go charge nationwide. And you, Mikey, there is nothing PNP can come out we don't know about because Marky British cannot open in trust fund to scrutinize scrutinize it like how the PM open him account.
The same report also stated that even though some of the reports or some of them are the allegations are false, there is reason that at the municipality one, there is reason to believe that there is a case. So
there's a big case. Look here, Renz girl. The municipality oversaw. Where the laziest mayor run oversaw over the capital there, where the shit water on a roadside. And the most corrupt municipality in the history of Jamaica. Be corruption and what things are going there. So you know if you ask, and that's the corruption there. And the one in a town too, where the PNP hire them private garbage truck. I tell you already for evening. Them private garbage truck carry garbage when the government garbage truck them park up. What you mean by the integrity, the report, the investigation not finished, Renz girl? It not finished.
When me talk about all them awful and disgusting, I'm talk about people not spread no room and whatever spread no. Wanna live for the people name for years. And I talk about them no want deal with water because Juliet have water truck and not too wicked. You know, say me.
I know PNP have private man a carry water and carry water now. PNP have private truck. I want PNP big man who want the truck them will carry water for the people them.
I mean, if people jar the man in the mud and come out in.
I will mute Nathaniel. The water truck we are carry water for the people them and over. I want big PNP man who want to do research.
She here my the Prime Minister and the mud. And today the Integrity Commissioner come tell you say it's illegal. Say it was illegal all along.
What busy with him? Tell him come with the arrest warrant. We're not busy with the Integrity Commission. 5 days numbered.
Listen, me tell you, the only reason why I see run out is because PNP name I get called and they look like a fast.
Yes, and they look like
it's the second time them do it. It's the second time them do it. You see, anytime things are shifted in the manner against the PNP, statement report come out. When Mark Golding turn up on stage and I tell the people them say, you Andrew Holness call illicit 8, you know who they are. Then could I release a statement and say no parliamentary, no the Prime Minister cannot know. They did not advise him of it. Then could have done it. They did not do it. Them allow PNP to run up and down on platform. The reason they in a shithouse them in a they allowed PNP to use their institution to play political football.
Tell Mark Jefferson Golden Mikey to open up in trust fund when have in money I hidden away and calling international people to come scrutinize the money if him bad. Tell himself to do that if he name.
Munchie, PNP, Mark Golding and PNP they play football and they have no goalie.
Exactly.
No,
yes, Jennifer. And the most corrupt mayor that are there, so the corruption there. Integrity Commission over there. Same place, Integrity Commission over there, so corruption get lower. Over there, so the corruption there. Right over there. So the People's National Party now go put out no toilet paper news and I talk about the 8 person at 8 different and the same 8 with the Integrity Commission I talk about. 5 from the PNP and 3 mischief making where they make pan the JLP. No member of the Jamaica Labour Party no corrupt. The 5 corruption people left is from the People's National Party.
The allegations against the JLP are not true.
Mark, you must know if you know under investigation. Tell him open up in trust fund. Tell him open up in trust fund, Mikey.
And I really need them
to open up in trust fund.
Munchie, need to remind them, even though a person is cleared or they certify their statutory declaration, the IC have the right to go back and reinvestigate that individual. That's when you want to make up nice and go on. You have a forensic audit done on the Prime Minister. You will refer him to the FI. Why not do it to the Prime Minister in waiting?
You can't tell we are come Tuesday, Mikey, because you don't even know where I come from your man, Dre Brian. You don't even know where I come from. You don't even know which infection I'm going to give you tonight. So you don't even know where I come. So shut up your mouth about Tuesday. You can't tell we nothing. There is nothing the PNP can't tell we about Tuesday coming because Mark Jefferson Golding can't open up in trust fund to scrutinization like Andrew Holness. And he can't open up in charity where him alone have access to, him alone have bank account, him alone can spend the money and nobody don't know where I funnel the money because he not pay no tax. Tell Marky British open up in charity and open up in trust fund, Mikey. Tell Marky British bring over money come to scrutinization. And in the meantime, shut up. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing, Mikey. You don't even know where you asleep tonight on that bridge. You don't know nothing. But you can't frighten we. Go on about your business and come off here before we block you. You mean you don't follow up JLP platform too much. Go back over Caution, your man Caution I call you. Go back over some man. And you have follow me up, so me over Caution, you follow me up. Me over here, so you follow me up, me not single. Me not look no man. I mean I like PNP man because they put them in 2 places. I mean I like that. Go over Caution. I tell you that you know. We not walk one.
I'm there, master child find illicit 5 in a PNP.
Eh? Pass me now to
the statement only seek them further. How man holding the PNP no say. The illicit 8, whether that is being investigated, is not a part of 8 that is in the IC report. How do you know that?
Ask Mark Jefferson Golding, highest-paid politician in the country.
And if they say 3 is in the Jamaica Labour Party, how Mark Golding would know about the 3? Because I would have seen people them telling about them, you know. People them not telling about the 5, right?
Yeah.
So how do I know about the other 3? Because I'm sure no say the Labour right wouldn't go back and tell Mark Golding, say, listen, you know, so they investigate me.
Exactly. After Labour right no phone.
So they have
ask Mikey winner. Ask Mikey that chat. He say I know everything I know about we. And Tuesday come we are go shock. Because them things so we are go shock. There is nothing the Integrity Commission can tell us Tuesday because we know them already. A weeks now, a month now we are so fired in the people and send them at the yard and PNP people there. So there's nothing you can't tell we.
They say must allow the people themselves. A long time you talk, months now you talk.
Move up Greg Christie and Comrade Seymour Pantan and Comrade Evan Thompson, Evans when one name. Move up then the people make them go on. Make me just wait for the one Chuck and the one.
Well, I don't know. And then they want now, all of a sudden we should allow the reports to be tabled. All along, them are run up and down over the place for the past 3 years. Name it Andrew, we know you know say. If them exist, name them, don't hide it. And all of a sudden when PNP is involved here, so we must wait till the report table.
And we know, they have a style, Kali Andrew, Kali. Time come.
They're quiet.
Time come now, Marky British. The time has come, you come and tell the Jamaican people.
We want it cold there.
About the ethnic 5, including yourself. We know say
Nathaniel, your service want fix up. Cool, them in a denial, man. All I come with them right now, them in denial. Them a fret. All them a do, them a wait for Tuesday. Nah, man, I'm supposed to proud. My man are leading the polls, you know. You know, leading the polls. Eight criminal them at the Jamaica Labour Party side. So one no cow up for now. One afraid of. Because now the little information that come out in a ball and a scream and a moan. Because guess what? They wait for the Prime Minister to go under. So they can't conceive Jamaica, but they don't say work. You want to surprise the Prime Minister clean. Can Mark Golden warm up his trust fund and stand up to the scrutiny of an overseas forensic auditor? Let me ask, no, Mikey, you think if Mark Golden free up in trust fund, he can stand up to an international forensic auditor? Type in the comment and tell me if you think he can stand up to it.
So winner.
Yeah.
You know, I am listening to all of this and I try to understand. Because the end speaks to the means. And in the end, for account we have less than $1 million. What was difficult in understanding that?
Put here $1 million, less than 500,000. No put here $1 million.
Because I'm trying to understand what is it about them account why you feel say you have to go foreign, go spend so much money. Yo,
One idiot when come on them platform can tell them say at 380 something thousand US. And that the idiot when come talk.
Listen to me, guys. This is not the first time they try to stick on something to the Prime Minister. Remember, they tried in a 2019, they tried to stick on. They say in give friend how much million out to hurt a contract. When they do the investigation and find out say nothing of this, so they try to prosecute him. Right? And the prosecutor said, not there. They went ahead and sent the report that he should be prosecuted. And then after that, they send the other report, they say, no charges will be laid. We try to destroy the Prime Minister. But he survived that. Because he's a clean Prime Minister. Now, for God, I don't know. They are so after him. You can see it in their demeanor, how they speak, how they move around. They are after the Prime Minister. And only way you can get him out of JLP to the government is if you tarnish him. If you destroy the Prime Minister, then you would render the Jamaica Labour Party weak. And then you can move in now with the Tapanaris friend and take over Jamaica. That's the only way they can do it, you know. Andrew Holness in foreign farm cannot be defeated by Mark Golden. And they know that.
Alright, I don't know if you understand or if you are made aware of the Edward Seaga era. And the same thing. The Jamaica Labour Party was being led by a man who understands politics, who know how to manage a country and run a country. And the PNP see the only way back in the power is to destroy the leader. And then do it with Edward Philip Seaga. And that they might try with Andrew Holness. Guess what go on?
And then when come back on do it with Bruce Golden.
They did
it with Bruce. Yeah.
They did it with Porsche to get Dr. Peter Phillips in. Right? When they run up and down Porsche, don't see no sense in can lead. And then mash him down, right? Then Philip take over. Rise United come in, what they do? Then destroy Phillips, mash down his reputation, undermine him, and get rid of him. If they're doing that to their own, what do you think they'll do to our leader, which is on the opposite side? These are dangerous people that we're dealing with, yeah?
Guys, this Jamaica Labour Party is not the Jamaica Labour Party of the 80s. A new era, new energetic, the base is energetic, the people is more determined than before. So the tactics that the PNP work against the JLP in the 80s coming up, it won't work. We won't stand up and fall. We're gonna stand up from head to foot, and we are gonna make sure that we stand firm behind our leader. So they could try all they want. All I know, this is a different set of people that is supporting the Jamaica Labour Party. So they will have to go back to the drawing board and figure out what's their next move, because I guess that the thing that they were using to tear down the Prime Minister going towards their conference, it backfire.
Boy,
You know,
what a mash up.
Up top general, the Prime Minister did something beautiful. He played the chess game beautifully.
Yes, man.
Beautifully.
Yes.
He stayed out of the Integrity Commission's way, right? He did not say anything, he did not do anything to undermine the integrity of the Integrity Commission.
Allow them to do their work.
He allowed them to do their work. He didn't say anything. He stayed focused. He did his work. And even when people were dragging him through the mud, calling him thief, calling him criminal, and say, you won't get the money from, he did not once comment. Right? And now he's vindicated. Now it's a parliament, you go see him. Because you can't talk about it. You can't talk about the report when it complete, when it table. You go see him.
Look here, if you don't know the amount of people, if you don't know the amount of people that send up prayers for the Prime Minister at night time and at daytime, it's unbelievable. Trust me.
Don't know. These set of people, man, they will do anything and anything to get power, and it's not gonna work. The Jamaica Labour Party, the present supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party is not the supporters of the 80 that they allow. They sit down and allow them to draw Edward Seaga through the mud. We are not gonna sit down and allow it to happen, and we should not. We should stand behind our leader. Them go like them a bullbuck and duppy conqueror too much.
Mr. Mark Gold in a call today say, labourites must reject the Jamaica Labour Party and vote for the people. But me, I want to wear my small.
Sick in my head, man.
Look here. The PNP them jump off a 2-2 train.
Where's the alien? The man I call Labour supporters to come vote. Tell them better than the
poll, sir. You are leading a poll, but yet you are called for Labourites to go vote for you. You're supposed to clean. Just say you see a few poll, man, them have a run up and down with, man. Because if you lead a poll, we don't need to take Labourites to go vote for me.
This we have to tell them, you know. Listen, we have this to tell them. We stand behind our leader. No matter what they say, we still marching on to victory. Them could have tried all the 3 cards they want. Yep, we marching on to victory. Don't push up the heart, them feet, man. Push up the heart. We are behind our leader. We shouldn't allow them to do what they feel like doing. We still marching on to victory. No matter how they wash me to the sun, we're still marching to victory. Sing along, the Labourite folks. Yes, sir. We shall have a victory. Push up the green heart, then.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, may I tell you. Push up the green heart.
No, Labourite.
Yes, sir. We are going to make that change. Push up the green heart. Push up the fingers. Yes, man. No matter what them do, we're still marching on to victory. Continue to spread the words, you know?
I know PNP want change the narrative in the news. I see them put up about Mark and Julia and no bother British. We don't care if them are no bother British again. Their money still over there hide up. So what them point? Their money still over there hide up, you know. So where them are come try this track with her. We're not busy with it.
A comrade Gina, man, comrade Gina always come with something, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Tell himself to bring home him money back in the country. Take him money
Provide me
probably
that
to Virgin
document to the
Island, bring it
bullshit.
back in Jamaica.
Bullshit.
And open up in trust
Bullshit, me
fund so
not
we
for
can
that
see.
pin. Me not for that.
Yeah, break up.
That pillar too.
Hello, good evening. Hi.
Good evening, how you doing?
Thanks. I'm listening to all the drama.
Yes, and do you want to express your views and thoughts on what you have come to your mind?
Boy, them say if you live in a glass house, don't throw no stones.
Not
And
at all.
based on what me say, Mark Golding, they're going to come with another strategy now because him don't want to look bad. You know, because I think he's talking about the leak, where the IC report leaked to the press and they're coming out and putting out in the paper. So it's like him want them to throw it out because they must say it's a serious that's a no serious breach. So, you know, I think him gonna try something. I'm going to try something because according to him, it's a serious breach and nothing shouldn't come out as yet in the press. So I said to myself, so then when the information leaked to them, wasn't that a serious breach? And them going around and talking, right, as if somebody, you know, said something to them. Right? Because before the report come out, them going around and talking and saying, why Andrew Holness, you know, going to have to step down. Because what them I hope that Andrew Holness step down, you understand, and I forgot him have to call an early election. You understand? So I don't know what them going to look like the by-election now. What going to come up. Him look, what's his name? The young
Them
man
say they
there.
boycott it.
Them say them. Well, clearly him going to win the seat. Because if them can't contest it, all the time them say them leading in the polls. So them should have, when them hear the opportunity, them should have take it. Because it would only benefit them. You and the opposition and you as a boy, you want them to call the election and you see an opportunity come along. You not take the opportunity because since you feel like you're confident, say boy, you're leading in the polls. So this is your opportunity now to snatch one more seat. Now so them should have see it. That is what I think them should have see it. So this poll that them put out, you understand, is in fact a fake poll. So, you know, we're going to see how everything's going to play out in the coming days. But I know them not going to just give up without that. Them not going to give up. Because I tell you with wicked people. Them not sleep good at night when them try to attack you and tear you down, you know. And you come out triumphant, you know. Them always have sleepless night and not find out to devise a way how to get you down. So them not don't sit down and fold them hand. You understand? Them one still a try.
We have one thing to tell the PMP them, and we're gonna tell them this. Hold on a second. God, turn back blow a bitch, you know. When me a picking I grew up, my grandmother used to tell me about turn back blow a seat, yeah.
But you know, I heard on one of them persons that do blogging. Hear them now? Them don't know how Andrew Holness him eyes it look like him in the what them call it large business. When they call it perimeter, not what them call it? What them call it large them? She never said large, she said something like perimeter or something like
to that effect. I'm not sure exactly. But it's something to do with Lodge. So she say it look like a that Andrew Holness. That's why him come out and scave every time.
Right out
You
this
understand?
time.
But I tell you, I pray for him. I heard a lady say, you know how much people I pray for him.
Of course.
But I think I was the only
I pray
one.
for my Prime Minister every night. Every night when me and my prayer meeting, I pray for my Prime Minister and pray for my country. Me have to pray for my Prime Minister.
I pray for him have the knowledge and the wisdom to go up against the enemy. You understand? Because me tell you something, the enemy not like this. And them not going to stop. Don't think them going to stop and just sit back. No.
Look here, I said it this morning. I said it this morning on Dujan Live. Karma is no joke. And karma is real. I mean, they watch it, they come, you know. I mean, watch it, they come, Hey, I hope when they come, then can stand up to it.
Remember, we have 11 more months remaining. So them not going to sit down and fold their hand.
And you guys must know that labourites are praying people. We are praying people. We not just get up and jump up and blah blah like the other rest of people. Then we are praying people.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yes.
We pray for our leader because we see and understand that they are his target. And they are trying to get to the head of the stream to ensure that they can get the whole entire team infested with their dirty disease.
Because the only way you can get rid of you can kill the body if you chop off the head, everything dead.
You understand?
You understand?
And if you have to tear down the house, you have to start from the foundation.
Exactly.
When you start from the foundation, the wickedest thing that starting from top, because you can tear down the top and end up leaving 3/4. But when you tear down the foundation, then you know say well then you target the main source. You understand? So as we listen to this, we have one more song to play.
But
hold on, before you go any further. We Prime Minister right out this time, and as praying people, labourites are praying people. Songs like this, we should just remember our leader because easy, easy man. Easy.
And the thing about it, he the lowest paid person right now. Because all them jump up and talk about them start pan Nigel Clark. So I'll do and raise him PM still jump ship and left Ghana IMF. You understand what I say?
Make we use this song to share some word of encouragement and sympathy with him as the crabbing barrels come after him.
In your life, wondering will I make it through? All you have to do is
ride out the storm. He did, of course. Labourites are praying people.
Seems like forever. Nights of confusion.
Yeah, man. We lift up our Prime Minister in prayers. Him and the entire family because we don't know what these people want from him. He has been the best leader since sliced bread, and no matter what him come with, they're just after him. It is so uncomfortable to see how these people playing politics. The Integrity Commission, they're for the PMP. There is no doubt about it. The baby we born last night can no doubts. But I'm saying to my Prime Minister today,
God is there with you.
yes, he is.
You may not feel him. You're not alone. Oh, you're hurting now.
He's in our prayer,
But your morning is coming. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. Just remember God's promise.
Yes, so as we continue the conversation,
Yeah, man. The Prime Minister ride out in storm for true because the enemy encamp around him to eat up in flesh.
You
The
understand?
enemy known as the PNP and the Integrity Commission, they encamp around him for truth up top
They're
to eat
like
up in flesh. But you
Lucas.
know so what happened to them up top? They stumble and fell.
Paul. Oh
They
gosh, man.
stumble and fell. They fall
Hey,
from their own a
I want to
sword.
read. Hey, listen. I want to read Psalms 109 for my Prime Minister. I see.
Yeah, man. Read it, man.
Psalms
Read it. Read it.
109 for my
Read
Prime Minister.
it.
So the enemies come on top of you. When they
Yes.
come against you, I'm going to look for it.
Yeah, man. Look for it.
I'm going to
No
read
weapon that
Psalms
form against Andrew
109 for my
Michael
Prime
Holness shall
Minister.
prosper. Read it
Yes,
up
man.
top. Read
Yeah,
we
man.
rebuke on dirty comrade. We
Yes,
rebuke on
man.
3
We have to
years on
rebuke them.
campaign. 3 years. Uno unleash on self and the Prime Minister and I tear down the man of God. I tear down the man, the clean and the clean and man and the man with good integrity and the man with class. 3 years you don't get up with no devil worship or no hope you're working wicked self. Dirty Mark Golden when I know God. Dirty Mark Golden when not even know nothing about love and care and love people. When him a go stadium, he can't even find one black, green, and gold shirt for wear. He don't even love nobody. He's just a bunch of tapanari in love. For 3 years, when I ride the Prime Minister, see him shake on off there? See him shake on off there, Lucifer? Barnabas, see him shake on off there. Play this song up top. Rewind that song there again for the Prime Minister. Rewind that song
True,
there for the
man.
nice clean Prime Minister.
I concur.
Come up top, coming back with the song for the Prime Minister. Dirty comrade, on the lip up over here, so. Uno kind over here, so. Uno kind over here, so. No go back over Dre Brian.
Push up the green heart then for the Prime Minister, man.
Seems like forever.
Ride out the storm, Andrew. Oh my gosh. Me say, it's like, boy, may I tell you.
Saw confusion.
Push up the green heart, love.
Have been so long. Your ship has lost anchor. Storm's got you drifting. Your night's almost over. You can ride out your song.
Sing along. We could send up prayers and well wishes to the Prime Minister. The enemies are after him.
Ride out your storm, Andrew Holness.
Yeah, man, ride out your storm,
Ride out
the Prime
your storm,
Minister.
the Prime Minister.
Ride out the storm, man.
Ride out your storm.
Labourites are
rise
praying
up and we crush them.
Yes, man.
We crush the enemy. We crush Mark
You're not
Deficit
alone.
Golden. We crush Mark Deficit Golden and the IC. Wicked people them.
I want you guys listen to this part of the song again. Listen to it when he said you're not alone.
You're not alone.
Yes, the Prime Minister, you're not alone.
You're hurting now. But your morning is coming. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. Just remember God's promise. Yes. I'll never leave. That's what he said.
Push up the green heart.
Waters are raging.
We'll make our Prime Minister know he's not alone.
You know
The Labourites we are today is not the Labourites of the 80s.
don't give up.
We all do remember what they did to Edward George Seaga. And we're not going to sit by and allow them to do it to the most honorable Andrew Holness.
Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm.
Yes, boss. Yes.
Oh, ride out your storm.